So, what is the problem solving? Anybody can tell me now? What is problem solving?
Determining the cause of the problem.
Determining the cause of the problem and taking steps to solve that, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, computer is a problem solving tool. What it means?
It's a medium to solve a problem.
Medium to solve a problem, like someone is looking to automate a process. I'll use the computer, write some programs, create some pages, create some design, so that that person can use in his or her business, right?
Yes, sir.
Algorithms we are going to understand. Anybody know what is algorithm?
Step by step
Set of commands.
Step by step
should be
commands
followed
To be followed.
to be followed.
to get the
Great.
desired output.
Yes, great. Algorithms, flow charts.
Flowcharts.
Represents the
Pictorial
operations.
It's a graphical
Picture
representation.
Graphical representation, great, of the whatever we are going to take decisions, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then array. So I'm not going to ask you array, don't worry, we'll see this in detail. Now see this one. I think this is the topic we talked in the last 1 hour. Basic intelligence of human covers day-to-day problem solving and making strategies to handle different situations which keep arising in a day-to-day life. So what a human body is using? Basic intelligence, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have applied your intelligence that I have to join a training, a session, so that I am prepared myself in such a way, nice way, that I can solve any problem of the IT industry. So you applied your basic intelligence.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have done
Yes.
something today, yesterday, or few days back, or every day is doing something. Everywhere, whatever you are doing, either you are at home or outside, you are keep applying your basic intelligence.
Yes, sir.
To solving day-to-day life problems, different situations, right?
Yes.
Now, for example, I'm just giving one simple example here. You see the picture? One person is pressing the remote.
Yes, sir.
What he's trying to do, he want to watch a certain channel. What he will do? He will pick the remote, press the button of particular channel number, and he will be able to watch that channel. Basically, what he is doing, he is applying his intelligence. It's looking very a small thing, but you have habit to do those things. Yeah, this is a small task, but anyhow, you are applying your intelligence. That's why you are able to do that now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I have an intelligence that I can drive a scooty or drive a car. I have basic intelligence that how to drive a car, how to drive a scooty, or how to drive a train, or how to uh, fly a plane. So everywhere there is a intelligence. Somewhere basic intelligence required. If I'm driving a scooty, I have some low level intelligence required. If I have to drive a car, some higher decisions I have to make. If I have to drive the train, some different decisions I have to take. If I'm flying one plane, then I have to take different decisions. Everywhere, what I'm doing? Applying intelligence, right? Another example. So you usually go to the picnics, right? While you're in colleges. Who have attended picnics or some group tour or some visit to places in the group, like you are the close 5 friends, 6 friends, 10 friends. You generally go and watch and visit some tourist places, right?
Yes, sir.
I know
Yes, sir.
most of you already visited, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for that, what first you do? You ask your close friend that, yeah, can we go to that place, right?
Planning.
Planning.
First of all,
You-
financial.
Yes. First, you make your mind that we are going for the picnic or some tour, right?
Right, sir.
So that is the requirement. That is one of the requirement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And for that,
Yes, sir.
what are the decisions you have to take within your group of your friends? What are the things you have to take care before starting that picnic or going to picnic? You have to decide the expenses, right?
Yes.
If
Yes.
we are 10 friends and we have to stay somewhere or have to prepare some food ourselves or buy some food, so you will decide expenses, right?
Expenses.
And you decide that we are going that place at least 5. We for the stay we need 2,000, for the food we need 5,000, for entertainment we need another 3,000, total 10,000 needed, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will do if
Right,
you
sir.
if you are 5 friends and expenses is 10,000, what will do?
Separate equally
You will
among
you will
five
di-
friends.
you will calculate total expenses and divide among themselves, right? In 5 friends,
Yes, sir.
that each
Yes.
will pay 2,000.
Yes, sir.
It look like funny example. You daily basis doing, but you're applying your intelligence to do that. Now you will expenses are decided. Now you contribute the money and go to and whatever the next step you have to take. You have to take after you collecting all the money. Then you have to book some car, go to there, stay there. Then you will lots of things. I'm just giving one example. Here you are also applying your basic intelligence, taking decisions, right? So
Yes, sir.
you have this mindset already. Now you have to think how to solve a problem in computer. You are solving big and bigger problem. Believe me, you don't know yourself. You are the bigger problem solver. Even the bigger criminals are the bigger problem solvers. They, according to their mindset, they solve their problem according to their way. They apply their intelligence to how to do a crime, but that is not an ethical problem solving. That was unethical, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They are,
Yes,
you
sir.
see, they are making decisions. You see, politicians how they apply the intelligence. I will do this. I will do this. I will do this, and I'll do fulfill these promises. I will do this. So they apply lots of intelligence there. And then they get bored and they whatever they do and do. That's a different separate thing. Everywhere, every group, every party, every person's lots of everyday solving problems. So here, problem solving is the process or act of finding a solution to a problem. What is problem solving?
Process or act of finding a solution to a problem.
Yes. See, what I'm trying to do here, I want to make your mindset easy. I have seen the fear of a programmer, being a programmer. I don't know what the programmer go and big companies and sit what don't know what they do. They don't do very different than you. You are already day to day solving your problems in your life by applying your basic intelligence,
Intelligent.
basic or intermediate or advanced intelligence, right? You see, now some childs are slow in learning. Some childs are, oh, it's only 10 years old, but he can solve the problems of the BA, BSc, or BCom, or some mathematics problem he can solve, right? Because that child has some advanced intelligence, right? So those are some exceptionals. So I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about exceptions. I'm talking about it's a normal, basic intelligence you all have. You all, as a student, now you're entering the life of being some. Previously, you are learning. Now you are going to be as a performer, applying your mind in different zone where you have to solve problems in some different way. You have already you have mind of a problem solver. Now apply your mind to solve problems of an organizations, problems of a client which come to you. You know some tools like HTML, CSS, PHP, some frameworks. You apply those tools. You know where what tools need to be used and solve the problems of that client for your company, right? So again, I'm repeating the same thing. I'm just sharing one thing. While as I got chance to take various interviews, even 1 year or 2 year experience people come in sometimes, and if I give simple problems to write a program while interview, they are not able to write because they do not understand the simple thing that this person has already the ability to solve the problem, but that person is not able to solve problem in that uh, just to write a simple 4 lines program because he do not understand how to do things in a step by step. Understood?
Yes.
Because
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
because he has created a big mountain of fear. This is different, something different. I'm not able to understand. I'm not able to understand. This is very, very different thing in this world. It is very tough subject, tough industry. I'll have to work very hard, but I don't know what I have to do. Something is hard until you do not understand, right? Person, suppose that you are going some places, a person is looking very uh, giant person, right? Like he's a 7 feet person, his body is very looking very 150 kilo person. From the it look like in general that, oh my god, what a person is. If you have fear of looking at a bigger and some heavyweight person, you will have always some fear. But if you have not that fear, you have only think that I should know this person. In any way, we will try to talk that person, right? And when we go to close to that person and just talk, you will realize that that person is same like you. Even he may be the softer person than you, very polite person than you. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you have to communicate, you have to understand, right? The only thing is to understand and communicate. That thing will be easy in your personal life also. Something is looking tough to you, so keep thinking that this is tough. Instead of that, think like that, I have to understand these things step by step, and that will make your life easy. So programming is directly related to your personal life, day-to-day life. Now see. So till now we talked about only whatever we discussed, whatever we talked, just to understand. Now we'll see how computer can be used to solve problems. So can anyone tell me computer can solve any problem by own?
No, sir.
No. Even suppose that you have to open the Word, MS Word, you have to open that application. Or if you want to send email, you have to write some email and then send. Still that is a computer, but your intervention is required. I am taking this action, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or so basically you can say computer is not able to do anything until we do not provide some step by step solutions. What is the meaning of that solutions? We'll come to that. Here solutions means some instructions. I'm writing some instructions in the computer in some languages. That language can be HTML, that is CSS, or that is PHP. I'm writing some instructions so that computer can understand and give some output, give the desired output, right? So keep in your mind that computer is not a thing that which can do anything by its own,
Oh,
right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You as a developer, you as a programmer, you will decide what to do, right?
Yes, sir.
You start a window machine or start your laptop, right? You press the start button, right? Once you press the start button, someone has given instruction or someone has written instructions somewhere that Windows operating system should be loaded. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you think by you are starting computer or there is some instruction written that is starting the operating system?
Already some instructions were written.
Yes, already some instructions are written. I am pressing the start button of my laptop or computer. Once I am pressing, it will look into if any operating system is installed in this computer, right?
Yes, sir.
If any operating system,
Yes, sir.
by default, it's already on operating system is there, that program will run, right?
Yes, sir.
Someone has written expression that
Yes, sir.
run that program. What? Windows. And once that is run, that is loaded in the computer. It's loaded into the computer memory,
Memory.
right? Now it's once loaded, you click a particular start button there, you see lists of the applications. Once you click, there is also some instruction written by someone by Windows, Microsoft, that someone is clicking on this start, display this menu. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are just using, nothing is doing by in the computer. Someone has written step by step
Actions.
instructions or solutions. Because that is needed, I have to use that operating system. This should display like this. If MS Word is installed, I will click the start button, I will go to the office, I'll choose the MS Word. MS Word application will be loaded into the computer. That is also written by some instructions by the some developer of the Microsoft. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
great. So thank you for acknowledging. You are acknowledging means I am saying something you understanding, right? So
Yes, sir.
your understanding, this is my final purpose is that my full purpose that whatever I'm trying to say, whatever I'm trying to deliver, you should synchronize your mind with this thinking. Something which should be not any like that which is you are not understanding and I'm keep delivering. You should acknowledge, and whoever not able to understand, I'll repeat. Can anybody say that till now whatever we talked, we discussed, is anything that you are not able to understand? I think till now we are very much clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So I am only trying to convey the message that this is what we are going to learn is not a mountain, not a big rock, not a big giant something. We have to just, God has given us mind, concentrate, listen, and map your mind that you are already a programmer in your life. Now you are understanding a new tool. Just that's it. You are already a software engineer, software of your life. Here you are now going to learn something new tools which will solve some different way. One second, some phone is coming. Why this? Okay, sorry for interruption. So my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
basically, while you write some solutions to it so that computer can understand, there are 4 steps here. First is understand the problem, right? What the
Yes.
actual, yeah, what the actual problem is, what the client is looking for. I'm working in a company works for the clients, what actually the client is looking for. So you are trying to understand the problem or requirement. Here is problem is requirement also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Second thing is analyze the problem. You can different aspects you can think of for whom this problem is, for this problem is for such type of companies, such type of users who are using these, or what is the benefit of implementing this solution, what the user will get. So you are analyzing, understanding, then analyzing. After analyzing, now you will develop a solution that I should use this language, I'll use this design, I should use this framework. And once you decided, fourth step is start coding or start design interface, write programs in the back end, and finally implement that. So in computer, basically you follow these 4 steps. Clear? Any confusion here?
No.
Clear, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope anybody not feeling sleepy. Or anybody like feeling sleepy?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
great.
sir.
Great.
No, sir.
Okay, great. So if you are feeling sleepy, that is a natural thing. Take some water. Okay.
Okay, yes. Yes, sir.
So first we understand the problem, what exactly the client is looking, analyze the problem in different angles, then we develop the solution that I basically here before start to coding or write the program or start to design, we finalize these are the tools we will use for this problem, right? And finally we developer like you, programmer like you will code, test, design, and it will be shown to the client. Client will say that yes, this is what I was looking for, this is helping my business. See, a good developer, a good team of developers are only those developers who are finally making the end client happy, not the company happy. If client is happy, if you what the client was looking for, you have developed, client is happy, it means company is happy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the thumb rule. Whatever
Yes, sir.
please your client by your work, by deliver a solution what the client exactly was looking for. There are many organizations, many companies start and stop. Do you know why? Because some companies are unable to make the end client from whom the company has taken the projects, team is unable to solve the problem what the client was looking for to make his or her life easy. So those companies work for 2 projects, 2, 3 clients, 4 clients, 5 clients. Finally, they are not able to deliver what the end client was looking for, and those companies shut down. Company shut down means employees get fired. So this is the real truth sharing with you. So whenever you are going in your organization, always keep in your mind that you are not going to help to make your company happy. You are going to whom happy? The client. The requirement. If the requirement what was delivered to you to develop, if the requirement is fulfilled, company is happy automatically. their revenue is increased. One client is happy, that client will give lots of testimonials. He will ask to another connections, yeah, this is the company, their developers are developing very nicely on time. That client will recommend another client, this company will get another client. So you understand the meaning of this? Company
Yes,
will
sir.
company will grow, you will get promoted, your salary will be increased. This is the ecosystem of a good team, good company, how they keep growing, keep company itself grows, and the employees also contributing in such a nice way that they are also self growing by their skills and by financial or you can say salary wise they have also get promotion, they get lots of projects, lots of opportunity. So this is the cycle. You see a company when they start in one location, how it's start to open its branches in different location because their employees start to contribute in such a way that they are able to deliver the projects to the client for that company on time and delivering what exactly the client was looking for, so that whatever delivered is adding values to the client business. If suppose that a client was looking for something to automate, but you that company or team created such application that it was very hard to use, created such a complex problem, complex solution given. If you have to click a link or find that one particular thing in that application, you have to remember many things. So once you deliver to that client, do you think that is going to add value to that business of that client?
No, sir.
No. Finally, that client is not going to give you any good feedback. So this is the logical thing that you are delivering to make life of that particular client easy, life of the particular client business easy, their employees business who were involved in that business of that client make life of their easy, so that now they are doing the same task in 10 hours, now they can save 4 hours after you develop that solution for them. So that should be the approach, because after 1 month someone from the company will assign a project to you, whatever the company you're going to work, you are going to start your life and going to contribute. So always try to give solution, write a nice solution which is easy to use by the individual. So here the step-by-step solution of problem to the computer. The one has to provide. Who is providing? Developer or programmer, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we are entering into the term which is very, very important to understand, is algorithm. As we have already talked about, what is algorithm is?
Step-by-step process.
A step by step, some instruction or steps or some inputs I am giving, right? So the sequence of steps to be performed in order to solve a problem. Sequence always matters. If you want to get a result, you have to follow some sequence, right? I have to do this first, then this, then this, then this, then I will be able to get the result. So in computer, you have to follow these instructions. First do this, then do this, then do this, then finally you will get the output. So algorithm is sequence of steps to be performed in order to solve a problem by the computer is known as algorithm. So the three important points, three things to always keep in your mind while you're talking about algorithms. First thing, you should be very clear that what output I am looking from this problem solving. You are solving a problem through algorithm, right? Then first thing you should always keep in mind that what exactly I am looking for, right? I'm going to the college. You know now why I'm going to college today.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I'm writing a program. Why I'm writing? Because I'm writing this program to, I want to get this result. I'm writing a program so that,
We will get an relevant output.
yes. So always this should be the very much clear output. Second is, whenever writing algorithm, you are writing sets of sequence of steps. Somewhere those steps should be stopped, because computer do not know where to stop. You are writing something and keep running until you shut down your computer. It will keep running, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you're writing a program or algorithm, you should always give instructions to in that sequence of step that my program should stop after finite time. So the first thing was,
To get a specific output, we should write an algorithm.
right. Second thing,
Algorithm should have some number of steps.
great. And third thing, whatever the instructions you are writing or activities you are writing, it should be clearly defined, and it's not look like something very same step I'm doing, duplicacy should not be there. If I'm writing some steps, suppose that you are going to your college by bus, right? So one step is that I will pick a bus from bus stand and go to my college, and then in college gate and I enter. So you write a step something like, you pick the bus, drop at the college gate, again pick the bus there, come to your home, again pick the bus, go to college, again pick the bus, come to home. After 5 times, now 6 times we dropped at the college gate, now entering into the college. Do you think the 5 steps you written was 5 times you come back and forth, was it needed? Was it required?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
It was unnecessary.
Yes.
You were just, so similar thing is that my target was to go to the college. Why should I do this? So while writing the program, we should always make sure that activities are clearly defined and not something is repeated. Why I should do something which is not required? If I'm writing 2 steps, and by writing those 2 steps my output is coming after that, why should I repeat again the same thing again? So 3 thumb rules while writing algorithm. First, You should be very much clear about the about
Expected output.
expected output. Second,
Finite
Algorithm should be finite time steps.
Finite.
yeah, algorithm should stop after finite time, right? And third,
Steps are clear.
It should be clearly defined.
Defined, not repeated.
Right.
yes, clearly defined, and it's not be should not be like ambiguous. It should be unambiguous, right? Now,
Yes. Yes, sir.
so before writing the algorithms, we are going to see some how to write the algorithms. So before writing that, you should know what some symbols you used, because we are going to write some sequence or steps, right? So what are those symbols, sir?
Yes, sir.
One is the plus sign, minus, multiplication, division, assignment. This is assignment.
Yes.
So the sign of assignment is like this. Later on we use equal to also, but now in algorithm, what is assignment? Here, this is A, and this is x to the power, or x into 3 you can say. Whatever the x into 3 is coming, I am assigning to A. Whatever happening here, whatever I'm writing here, I'm assigning to A. So whoever not understanding of writing the programs or problems or algorithms, they should very much clearly understand this. This is the assignment. It will be always required when you write the algorithms. Now see and understand this. What is happening here? Anybody can tell me?
Calculating the radius of circle.
So what we are doing?
Finding the area of a circle of radius, sir.
Finding the area of a
Circle of radius.
So if you are writing this in mathematics, what you will do to find the radius of a circle? Area of a circle.
Directly apply the formula pi r square.
Yeah, you will write formula pi r
Square.
Now you know I can use the formula. This is in your mind, right?
Yes, sir.
How we'll write the instructions so the computer can understand? Some steps.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because computer cannot think na कि this is the formula of area. Do you think the computer can understand this is the formula of area?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You have to tell the computer, hey computer, this is the formula of area. You are so smart. I understand you can calculate very much, but you can't do anything without my instructions.
Instructions.
Yeah, I have given lots of formula to you. That's why you are doing all the things. So, computer is not powerful than you. You have capability to memorize the formula, but computer has not capability to memorize. So here, The problem statement was find the area of a circle of radius r, right? So what is the one thing required to get the circle, area of circle?
Radius.
Radius. And one rule was that what is the important thing we should know before writing a program or solving a problem? We should know what is the expected output we are looking for. So what we are looking for?
Area of circle.
Area of circle.
Area of circle. So, do you think why I am talking here this to find area of circle? Why this topic came here? Why the thing we learned in mathematics in class 6th or 7th or 8th, you have passed your graduation, now I am talking about area of the circle. Why? Any clue, any reason?
Proper uses of algorithms.
Yeah, I'm using that. Your teacher had told this is your book written that this area of the circle, you put the R and get the result. But how I can write a program in computer that I will enter R, it will give the area of the circle. You have write some step-by-step instructions. So, without going into any programming language, we are trying to build a logical mind so that our instructions can be easily understood by computer. What exactly I am looking for, I can get the result from those instructions, right? So we are just trying to practice something. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, algorithm, how algorithm start here? The first step is you will write instruction that read or input radius r of the circle. Computer will ask you, right? You are telling to the computer, ask from me what?
Radius of circle.
Radius of circle. Then you are telling to the computer in the next step that use this r, pi already you can give the value there, 22 by 7 or 3.14, right? And multiply r 2 times. And whatever the result coming, assign to
Area.
area. Great. Now area, computer got the area. Now I'm telling through the algorithm that print area. So what is happening here? To find the area of the computer, I am also supplying writing instruction, take input from me, or second step, use the formula and use the value of r. Third thing is print area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Now see another example. This problem is, see here we are making our computer intelligent by our what? Instructions. Whatever instructions we write, computer can only do that. Here the problem was we have two numbers and what we have to find?
Sum.
Sum of those two numbers. So you are writing a program or algorithm. So whenever you run this, every time what the program should ask?
Input.
Sorry?
Input.
Input. Input to those two numbers. Right?
Yes, sir.
And what the expected
Yes.
output I'm looking for?
The sum of
Summation
their
of two
numbers.
So, as computer is not brain to make decision, I am trying to help the computer to take the decisions for this particular problem. This is small problem. Still, we are not talking about developing software, right? We are
Yes, sir.
think we
Yes, sir.
we are learning very basic thing. How we can write instructions so that computer can understand and give me some result. I'm looking small result with a small problem. Once I will have habit of writing a small state solution, I will be able to write solution for bigger problems. So before going into this, can you someone all just write to find write algorithm to find area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle, and you can just take picture and send in the chat. You got the question? I'm audible?
So can we write the answer in the chat box? Just type it in the chat box.
Chat box actually, either if you type in one shot and submit once, then it will come to me. Either someone's chat
Yes,
will come.
exactly.
Yeah, try to do that, right?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
The problem is write algorithm to find area of rectangle. I hope problem is clear to all. Chantru had okay. See, if you're sending in chat box, write in one go somewhere and then paste in one go. Either someone step will come, some other step 2 will come, so it will mix up. Like this one. Start length, input length and width of the rectangle. Set area equal to length into breadth, display area end. Very nice. Chandru did great. Then
Thank you, sir.
Step 1, read length and width of rectangle. Step 2, area equal to length into width. Step 3, print. Who is this? Astos. Very nice, Astos. Input LNB. Step 2, area LNB. Step 3, print area. Very nice, Tarni. You did great well. Very nice. Dibya, calculate area. I think Dibya has 2 steps, 1 step above. Input length and width. Then step to calculate area, length and width. Dibya, you are also correct. Very nice. Then Anuhika, input the length, step, input the width, 3 area, length into width, step. Very nice, you guys. You are awesome. Molly, read input, length equal to rectangle into input. Area, length into breadth. Very nice. Molly did great. Kishore, input length of the rectangle, input width of the rectangle, calculate area to length into breadth, output area. Very nice, Kishore. Then
Thank you, sir.
Pragati, find L and B, A equal to L into B, display value of A. That will also work, no problem. Thank you. Great, Pragati. Anshika, start input length and breadth, state area equal to length and breadth, display area. Awesome, very nice. You guys are awesome. Step 1, start. Step 2, input length and width, area, length into width. Very nice. You did great, Gidada. Sri Jyoti,
Thank you, sir.
may I tell you Jyoti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jyoti, great.
Thank you, sir.
Nisha, declare variables length and width. Very nice. Input length of the rectangle, input width of rectangle, calculate area. Nice, Nisa, very nice. You have used lots of good stuffs here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Priya, start input length and breadth, area equal length into breadth, print area. Nice, Priya, great. So till now, any problem in understanding this simple algorithm and this first problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Great. So I think you have many of you already knows these things, but I'm trying to be revisit and trying to be create a mindset like that you can have some revision of those things. So Bullet Kumar has just written input length and width. Why Bullet you are not able to run next step? Mr. Bullet, you should write your program like a bullet. Aditya, start input length, input width, set area equal length in the bread, print area. Awesome, very nice. Apurva, start input length and width, area equal to length into width print area. Yeah, this will work, no issue. Great, Apurva. Monica says step 1 input length and width, step 2 set area equal to L into W. Monica, here you have input length and width. If you written length and width in area calculation, use the same name, length, not only L. And for width, W, use width. Right, Monica? It's looking correct, but try to be put much accuracy. Like if you see this, I have taken R, radius R, and I am using that R. So whatever you are taking input, use that only. Priyanshu, input rate length, input rate width, area length into width, print area end. Great, Priyanshu. So now we can jump on to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Interesting?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now I have another problem. I have to get sum of two numbers. So what I have to do? Those two numbers can be any numbers now. So why we are just not writing the fixed values? So do you think you would develop the application for you or for others? What are the program you write for yourself or for the public or for the other people to use that application?
For other people.
For others, right? So if you are writing a program to add two numbers and people can use that simple program, they can put any number.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's why
Yes, sir.
that's why we take as an input, because we do not develop these problems or programs for ourselves. It is for using by someone else. So our program will be written in such a way that, suppose that I have written just fixed first number equal to 2, second number equal to 3. So it will always give result 5. What? So it's not going to solve some problems now. I am creating something to use by someone. That is not useful. That may be useful for a person who is just looking to add 2 and 3 only his whole life. Right? But
Yes, sir.
something. So what is the meaning of writing this steps? Why I am taking input? Because anybody can use this one. So the first input I am taking first number, second input second number, expected output was some of those two numbers. What I did first? Start.
Start.
Read input. Yeah, please.
First number. Reading first number.
Yes.
And step 3, reading the second number.
Yes.
In the step 4, we are assigning sum.
Yeah.
Adding number 1 and number 2.
Yeah, assignment is missed here. It should be some assignment operator. So basically sum equal to num1 plus num2. Okay.
In step 5, we are printing some value.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So can you write a fast one program to get sum of 3 numbers? is first, this is second. Write algorithm to find sum of three numbers. Sorry guys, this is electronic board, so my handwriting is not coming good into this. So I hope this is readable.